Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Give me some more. Smack that. Ah.
Hey guys, I'm Sicsen.
And I'm Allie. And we're gonna be doing some Elmer's Galaxy Slime Starter Pack. So Allie got me this for Christmas, only she gave it to me like a month before Christmas. And so I was like, it would be fun to make a video of us doing this because I've always been that kind of person who likes watching like slime videos. And I know it sounds weird, but like it's, I don't know, I always wanted slime for myself. So now we're gonna make some. Yay. So let's open this up. Glittery. So we got blue classic glitter glue, and then we got pink classic glitter glue, and then we have purple. So the first thing that we need to do is pour entire bottle of 6 fluid ounce Elmer's glitter glue into the container. Okay, let's do the blue one first. Oh shit, it's hard to like squeeze it out. Oh my. Ew.
It's like when you take a really hard shit.
Alright, that's the slime.
We'll get a whiff of that glue. Oh my god, there's still more.
Ooh, damn. I like how like we have these 2 Halloween containers and then there's just like this ugly Tupperware. Ugh.
That one came out and went back in.
Ew, this reminds me of like having diarrhea.
This is not how all the pretty girls on YouTube make slime. Should have painted my nails for this.
Yeah.
That's how beauty girls do it, right?
And last but not least, we have the pink. Oh, damn. Which out of these colors do you guys like the best? I really like the blue too.
They're all gorgeous.
But pink man.
I never would pay you for a person who likes pink.
All right, let's look at the next step. So now we have to add half a tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly.
We're gonna need 1 1/4 tablespoon of contact solution.
1? Okay, here we go.
Do you want me to do it?
No.
Okay, now mix it.
Ooh, the glue. Oh, this is weird. I should have freaking gotten like a plastic spoon. This is such a weird consistency. It's just sticking to the entire spoon.
Yeah, we'll get it off. It says mix until mixture gets harder to mix and slime begins to form. Then take the slime out and begin kneading with both
We forgot
of
to
your
mix
hands.
with the baking soda. This is so weird. Oh my god, the spoon. I feel like I'm sinning. I don't know why.
Ooh, it's so stretchy.
It's very sticky as well.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You do? Ooh, it's getting better. You like it? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, it looks nice.
ASMR much. All right, now you're gonna do the purple.
So one of these.
Dude, this uses a lot of freaking contact solution.
This was my last bottle of contact solution, by the way. I have to go get more.
Time to mix.
Spoon me.
Spoon.
We forgot to mix in between the steps again.
I know. Well, I mean, it worked for the blue one, so it should be fine, I guess. It's like gross.
Ugh. Ooh.
With sound effects, though. You ready to knead it?
Almost.
Yeah, it's gross.
I'm gonna throw up. Having to do all the dirty work.
I freaking did it the first time.
Oh, it feels so gross. Ew. This must have been hell for you. You hate sticky stuff.
I was trying to like not be a freak about it.
I like have wet hands.
It looks cool.
Just wait till you put them all together. You're gonna have a fucking massive thing of slime.
I know.
Look at it. It's like flattening.
She flat.
This is so stress relieving. Now I know why people love slime so much. What if I just throw this in your face?
Let's do the next one. This is just a little unusable now.
You should totally make an Instagram video where you like pull it and then fold it over and then put your fingers in it.
I hate when they do that, the fingers.
Yeah.
I don't like that. I'm like, stop. I just want you to squish it, that's all. Those crackles, though.
Snap, crackle, pop.
Rice Krispie.
We're sponsored by Rice Krispies for sure.
Time for the third one.
And I'm doing this one because it's her Christmas present. She doesn't have to do this herself.
Yeah.
You just get to play with it. You can mix them all together.
I feel like it didn't need as much of this contact solution.
Yeah, maybe we measured it wrong.
Yeah, you mixed that shit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's definitely way too much liquid. Better too much than not enough.
True.
That's what I always say.
You always say that?
Mm-hmm. Whenever I burp and my dad's like triggered, I'm always like better at this end than the other.
It's nice and wet.
Maybe we should have mixed the baking soda first. I feel like it would have been better if we did that. Ew, I'm doing this because I love you.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna like have nightmares about this. Oh fuck, the battery's low. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Now you mix them all together. You
Time to mix.
You have to lay them on top of each other and then twist.
Lay them on top of each other?
Yeah, that's what it says. It says once all 3 slabs have been created, lay them on top of each other and begin to knead and twist.
And now let's twist.
Oh, it's gonna be so pretty.
Oh, it is wet. Oh, this is a lot. I hope I'm doing this right, but I think it doesn't really, how much does it matter?
Does it?
Ooh. Oh shit.
You're gonna have so much fun with this.
This is what I'm talking about. I love this shit.
Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it.
All right, so thank you for joining us in our slime making adventure, even though this is not really a typical video for my channel. It's another thing that you know about me that I enjoy, so there you go. I really like it. It's very squishy, and I like squishy things. So
yeah, that's why you're dating me.
So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.